I'm feeling like we gon' be okay. Maybe Edward's Skeletrix today, actually.
I don't want to go to sleep.
So, you want to make beats? Don't. The majority of society's youth is failing in life, brainwashed by what they see on the internet.
I don't want to sleep here.
I'm not saying don't follow your dreams, but be real with
I
yourself.
don't want to sleep here.
Do something with your life. Have a purpose. Don't follow the herd. Well, enough of that. You want to make beats? I got you, fam.
I don't want to sleep here.
Trying not to see plays on the bird. It's a big bag, I don't wanna drown this. It's a big bag, I don't wanna drown. I got my face in line, I don't want to wait. Cause I'd rather be high right now. I'll let it take my soul right now. I'll let it take my soul right now.
Hello, that's my shit. I hope you liked it. First things first, hit that penji or roll up, because you need your head in a creative space. You need to hear everything you're making, all right? Open FL, start the melody. To start your melody, pick out any sound you like from whichever plugin you have. I'm using this nice electric sounding key from this random serum bank. I don't know where I found it. Once I have one chord, I copy it 4 more times and move around the notes to differentiate it. In this instance, I really didn't change much except the bottom notes and the top note. Now that you have the base of the song laid out, you can now start to add other sounds that will make your melody sound beautiful. Let's start with the counter melody. I first started off with this harsh pluck. Then I simply copied and pasted the notes of my chord progression onto the piano roll to use as a guide for this counter melody. I started laying out the notes singularly in different areas of the pattern. I also added 2 leads so they can all bounce off each other, creating a steady flow of rhythm and catchiness to the mel. They should all complement each other in the end.
Ahem. Sorry, that feels better now. I added a pad for ambience and a soothing bass line also. Now that you've finished up your melody, and can really feel it because you're high as fuck right now, you gotta play that shit, Slime. Okay, now we gotta get started on the drums. This is the time to show how different you can be from the rest of everyone. What are you going to add that people don't add? What are you going to make that don't sound like no shit you've heard before? What is your sound? What tells people that this will be you and only you, twin?
Stiz hats. Open hats. Snare. clap, FX, triangle, chant, and 808. Make sure to copy the root notes of your melody to your 808 pattern. Mess with your sounds. For the master, I use Fruity Wave Shaper for their soft clipping presets and mess with the knobs. I kept the limiter on that hoe and messed with the gain. Add more FX to your drums, like delay, chorus, flanger, or pan your sounds. Organising the beat is simple. It depends on the rhythm, in my opinion. Cut patterns in ways that it can catch itself on the same rhythm. I left this shit alone because I'm lazy. I don't care at all.